welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions on some skincare products from Aroma Magic. So now I generally don't prefer doing first impressions on skincare stuff because they take a little time to actually work on your skin. But these products are something that I received the trial packages for. So I was buying something from Health and Glow and I got some products for free. So I thought that I must try it on camera with you guys. So as I mentioned, these products are from Aroma Magic, which is a brand by Dr. Blossom Couture. So before I get to the products, I'm going to talk a little about the brand. So this brand, as I mentioned, is by Dr. Blossom Couture. The brand is over 30 years old. So all the products are free from parabens, alcohols, mineral oil, chemicals, synthetic colors, artificial fragrances, petrochemicals and animal testing. So these products are really safe to use since they don't have any parabens, and also since they don't test on animals, it's another good added factor. They say that by choosing Aroma Magic, you are using ingredients that work with the natural system of your skin, body and mind. So all their products are aromatherapy based. So all of them smell really well and the smell helps in getting your mind work better. And I personally totally believe in aromatherapy because every time I smell something good or my environment is smelling good or a smell that I like, I genuinely feel happy and it just calms and soothes me. So I always like smelling good. I always like having my environment smelling good. So I always have some aroma candles lit in my room or some sort of aroma going on. So that's something that really attracted me to the brand. So all their products are derived from nature and they are fresh and they mean to heal you. So it's not just skincare products that work on the skin. The whole idea is for it to heal you from inside, which I think is great. And if these products work, then I'm going to totally change my skincare routine. I know I've been doing that for a very long time, but yeah, I'm super excited to try these out. So I have 4 products for you guys. So the first one is the Aroma Magic Reviving Oxy Pack, which is an overnight mask. The next product is the Aroma Magic Coffee Bean Scrub. The third product is the Neem and Tea Tree Face Wash, most excited about, and the Passion Flower Massage Cream. So this is a face massage cream. So without making this video any more longer, let's just get started with the products. So the first product that I'm going to be testing is the Passion Flower Massage Cream. It's a face massage cream. I don't have any makeup on and I haven't used any face wash. I just removed my makeup and just splashed some water. So I'm going to take some of this cream on my fingers. It's a very thick cream, so I'm just gonna split it into 2 and apply it all over my face and my neck, of course. And I'm gonna start massaging my face. So guys, I've never used a massage cream specially for my face. So this is something really interesting. I generally have the tendency to massage my face with a face wash, but if I'm going to have a separate cream, I'll probably do that because I feel that it really helps in increasing the blood circulation on your face. And also the smell, guys, it's amazing. Like, this product smells so good and I already feel happy. Alright, so I'm done massaging my skin. All the cream has absorbed, although there's a layer of cream on my face which I'm just going to get rid of. The cream feels really nice. The smell is so nice, guys. Like, I absolutely love the smell. I don't know if I'll want to buy a fuller package of this because I don't know how much I'll use it, but it's definitely something that I'll consider because it just feels really nice on the skin. So I'm just using a wet napkin to wipe it off. It says that you can use a wet cotton to wipe it, so I'm just using a napkin. You can use anything that you like. Okay, honestly my skin feels so fresh, guys. I just came from college and I was feeling so tired, but after this cream I'm just feeling so fresh and energized, and I'm so excited to try out the next product, which is the face wash. So it's a Neem and Tea Tree face wash, which is specially for acne and other scars on your face. Now I'm the most excited to try this because every time I try a product which is for acne or anything that has neem, it just dries out my skin because that's their way of getting rid of acne. But a person like me who has really dry skin can't afford to have drier skin. That's why I can't use any neem based face washes. So that's why I'm really excited to try this out. So yeah, I already have a damp face, so I'm just gonna take some face wash here and I'm just gonna apply it first all over my face and neck. And now just massage it so that it creates a lather. Okay, before I wash it off, the smell is so much like neem. Like, I literally feel like I have a neem plant near my nose. because it smells so much of neem, but I'm also getting traces of tulsi. I don't know if that's there, I'm gonna check, but that neem smell is so nice. Like, it's actually a really nice smell. So guys, I just washed my face and pat dried it, and my skin is feeling so soft. Like, I just can't believe that an acne clearing face wash didn't dry out my skin. My skin feels amazing. I don't know how it's gonna help with my acne, but it definitely did not dry out my skin, and that's why I'm definitely buying the bigger package. I am gonna buy it today itself and use it and give you my review soon. I am super impressed, and I'm really happy with this. Alright, now coming to the third product, which is the coffee bean scrub. I'm gonna take again some on the back of my hand. I'm actually super excited about all the products because all of the ingredients in the products are so tempting and they are my favorites. I love coffee, I love neem, I love aloe vera and lavender, which is a huge component of the overnight mask, which I'm going to come to later. So all the ingredients are like my favorites, and I feel like they were just made for me. So I'm just putting the scrub all over my face, and I'm just going to start scrubbing. Again, has a beautiful smell of coffee, and this is a really nice soothing smell. It's not like a very strong coffee smell, but it smells great. The scrub particles are not too harsh, which is something that I like, but at the same time they're doing their job. So yeah, it doesn't feel too harsh at all. So even if you have sensitive skin, I think you can use this. Again, I'm done rinsing it, and I can still smell that coffee, guys. These products smell so good. I don't know why, but I have this thing for smells, and now I know why. I really feel that good smells have good healing properties, and that's why I love good smelling products, and they just make me so happy. These products, they smell amazing, and I actually think the aromatherapy is doing its job, because right now I feel so energized and so fresh. The scrub was really nice. It gently exfoliated my skin, and I feel that my skin is feeling much more cleaner and fresher, and I feel that it's breathing. So yeah, I definitely like the scrub, and this is something again that I think that I'm going to buy the fuller package of. Now coming to the final product, which is the Reviving Oxy Pack. Now this is made up of mainly aloe vera gel and lavender essential oil. It does have other ingredients, but those are the dominant ingredients. So now I have been making a mixture of lavender and aloe vera gel and using it every day on my skin, and it has been working so well. So I think this is something that I'm definitely gonna love. I don't know if I'm gonna repurchase this. If it's gonna work the same way that my mask does, then I'm not gonna buy it, but let's just give it a try. So again, I'm taking it on my fingers. It's a clear mask, and I'm just using my fingers to apply it. Alright, so this spread on my skin really easily. I didn't need too much of this, and my entire skin has a nice layer of this. So this says that it's an overnight mask. So I'm just going to let it stay for the entire night and see you tomorrow morning and tell you guys what I think. Alright guys, the mask has been on my skin the entire night. I know I'm wearing the same top, don't judge, I slept in it, but whatever. Coming to the mask now. It has done wonders to my skin. Now if you can see the red spot right here, it was much more redder and prominent last night than it is right now, and even there's a pimple right here which has gone in and it has slightly dried down, and right now my skin looks much less redder than it was last night. And I know it's just been one night and it's too soon, but right now my skin feels amazing, and it definitely makes me want to purchase the fuller size. So out of all the 4 products that I tried, I'm definitely buying 3 of them, and I think I might just buy the massage cream because of the smell, and it just feels so nice. All the 4 products are a must try, guys, and they just feel really good. So now again, a disclaimer, these are skincare products. They take some time to work, and they work differently with every skin, but to me these work really well, and I'm definitely gonna buy the fuller size. So I am gonna purchase them, try them and review them for you guys. But right now I can definitely give the Oxy Pack a huge thumbs up, because in one night itself it has shown me so many results. So I'll try and find a link to these products and leave it in the description box below. So guys, that's it for this review. I really hope you guys liked it and found it useful, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me, and also subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter for regular updates on fashion, beauty and makeup, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.